What is up, everybody? It is Brian with First Shot Tactical, back with another video for you here today. And today we are doing a quick unboxing of the Aero Precision .750 Phosphate Black Gas Block. I'm going to be installing this on a Aero Precision AR10 M5 build, and this is the gas block that I needed to use with the barrel that I have. So with that, just want to do a quick unboxing, show you what it comes with. So this will be a pretty quick video, but in case you're looking to pick one up, I hope this is helpful. So to get things unboxed here, pretty simple packaging here, classic Aero Precision branding and logos on it. You just have the card here. We'll set that aside. And then obviously here is the main part that we have, nothing else in the package. And this is our actual gas block. So the one that I did pick up, this is the Aero Precision logoed one. You can get one without a logo, but I said, hey, why not? Let's go ahead and get that big A on it. And then the other thing to note as far as getting the correct gas block, like I said, this is the .75. You definitely need to check your barrel. So the barrel I have is a Ballistic Advantage 18-inch 308 barrel that I'm using. So I actually checked the specs on Ballistic Advantage's website, and it said that you need to use this one, so that way it has the correct fitting and the gas tube and everything lines up correctly as well. So you can see on the back here, it does say made to fit .750 gas block journals, and that's again what I checked on the Ballistic Advantage website, and then it also gives you the set screw spacing if you need that as well. So not a lot that comes with this here, but this is a major component that you need on your setup in order to have it function properly. So again, there's a lot of different options, but whichever route you choose to go, just make sure it's the right size and fitting, so that way it fits on properly. That's it for this video. Again, short and simple, just helping the people out looking to buy one of these, so that way you know what exactly comes with it if you're ordering online. So I hope this was helpful for you. If it was, like and subscribe to the channel. Always appreciate that, and let me know if you have questions down in the comments. Until next time, have fun shooting, and we'll see you soon. Thanks, everybody.